Dun, 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 dun.
I've never been the biggest fan of Zack Snyder, but strongly believe he deserves a chance to finish Justice League. No, he doesn't, and I'll explain why in a second.
Be very careful with the next thing you say.
Will you do a spoiler discussion, please? I don't have a lot of interest in doing a spoiler discussion of a movie that's a redux of one we've already seen.
That's not very careful.
IMDB user ratings are useless. Ignore them. This is from Variety. Finally, Rotten Tomatoes revamps movie audience scores to include only ratings from verified ticket buyers. Rob, I've been saying forever, this is exactly what they need to do. And I think this is fantastic. You fucking moron! You are a fucking human piece of shit and a disgrace!
Perfect, perfect, perfect.